Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of rice. Start by combining 1/4 cup of rice flour with 1 cup of liquid, like water or your favorite milk, in a small saucepan. Place it over medium heat and stir constantly. This continuous stirring is key to preventing lumps and achieving that perfectly smooth, creamy texture we're aiming for. Keep stirring until the mixture begins to thicken to your desired consistency, usually within a few minutes. To achieve the perfect consistency, continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. You'll notice it gradually transforming into a smooth, porridge-like texture. If you prefer a thinner cream of rice, simply add a splash more water or milk until it reaches your liking. For those who enjoy adding fruits or nuts, a slightly thicker base works wonderfully to hold everything together. It's all about personal preference. Now for the fun part, flavoring. Once your cream of rice is cooked, remove it from the heat. Stir in a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and then add your preferred sweetener, such as 1 teaspoon of honey, maple syrup, or a sugar substitute. For toppings, get creative. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts are fantastic. A dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract can also elevate the taste beautifully. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a little extra water or milk to restore its creamy texture. It's a quick and easy breakfast or snack. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.